So welcome back to the online math class of class 11 and good morning all of you. Today we will discuss about ellipse. Today we will discuss about ellipse. First of all, I am telling you the standard form x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. You know that for ellipse the eccentricity is less than 1. We have discussed in the previous class. You know that. So the figure will be of this type of figure. These are the directrix. And here a square greater than b square. This is the most important thing. Here must be a square greater than b square. Okay, that means the denominator of the x square is greater than the denominator of the y square. Now, first of all I am telling you the major axis. Here the major axis obviously x axis. The x axis is the here major axis. In the ellipse there will be two axes. Major axis, one is major axis and other is the minor axis. So the minor axis will be Vishal. The minor axis will be tell me y axis. Very good. You have to know these things about the ellipse. Now tell me about the equation of major axis. Equation of major axis. Equation of major axis. Tell me. Major axis is the x axis and its equation. Equation will be. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Vishal? Equation of major axis, that is the x axis. Equation of major axis, it will be y equals to 0. And the equation of the minor axis, x equals to 0. Okay. Yes. Equation of minor axis, x equals to 0. Now, next thing we have to know length of major axis. I am erasing this one. Length of major axis. Length of major axis. Here it will be 2a. This is the length of the major axis. A dash. This will be 2a unit. Okay. Here OA equals to A. That's why A dash, that is 2a unit. Here actually A and A dash, these are the vertices. These are the vertices. This is a comma 0 coordinate. This is minus a comma 0. I am telling you later. Just move on to one by one. Now length of the minor axis. Length of minor axis. This will be 2b unit. Okay. Here OB equals to 0 comma b and there is a b dash, that is 0 comma minus b. So the length of the minor axis, that is 2b unit, b dash. This is a dash and this is b dash. Okay. Have you got it up to this one? Have you got it up to this one? Have you got it up to this one? Okay. Now tell me the center of the ellipse. Center 0, 0. Center 0, 0. Now tell me the vertices. Yes, very good. Vertices, I am telling you just a couple of minutes ago, A0 and minus A0. A0 and minus A0, isn't it? Okay. Now, yes, now the eccentricity E for the ellipse E equals to root over 1 minus b square by a square. This is the eccentricity for ellipse, which must be less than 1. Okay, you know that for ellipse E less than 1, for parabola E equals to 1, and for hyperbola E greater than 1. Next thing, the coordinate of the focus. Focus S dash. There are two focus. You may say in plural way foci. Okay, S and S dash. AE comma 0 and minus AE comma 0. Okay, so focus plus minus AE comma 0. Okay, just note down in your copy. Vishal, and who has joined me? Krishnendu, welcome to the class. Krishnendu, give a response. Krishnendu Datta, give your response through the message, and at the end of the class we will take the attendance. Okay, Krishnendu, give your response through message. Okay, otherwise I can't understand you hear me or not. Next thing, I am telling you the focus, or the in plural way, that is foci, S and S dash. Next thing, distance between two foci. Tell me, distance between two foci. Distance between two foci. It will be distance between two foci. It will be. Tell me, distance between AE comma 0 and minus AE comma 0, that will be 2 AE, isn't it? Distance between two foci, 2 AE, isn't it? Okay, now the latus rectum, perpendicular chord passing through the focus. Latus rectum, length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum, that will be 2b square by a. Okay, you have to remember this, length of latus rectum 2b square of by a. Okay, now equation of latus rectum. Equation. Can you see the lower portion of the board? Can you see the lower portion of the board? Right now, I think now it is visible. Okay, now equation of latus rectum. It is the line parallel to y axis. So whenever it passes through the S, it will be x equals to AE. Whenever it passes through the S dash, it will be S equals to minus AE. So x equals to So x equals to plus minus AE. X equals to plus minus AE. I am repeating it once. Since it is the line parallel to the y axis, okay, so that's why x equals to constant. Whenever it passes through S, it will be x equals to AE, and whenever it passes through S dash, it will be x equals to minus AE. So simultaneously you may write here x equals to plus minus AE, okay, x equals to plus minus AE. Now the equation of directrix, equation of directrix, it is also parallel to y axis, but this point is a by e comma 0, point of intersection of directrix and the axis a comma 0, and in the left hand side that is minus, sorry, a by e comma 0, it will be a by e comma 0, okay, not AE, A is the focus. So a by e comma 0, and in the left hand side minus a by e comma 0. So simultaneously x equals to plus minus a by e, x equals to plus minus a by e, okay. And the last thing, distance between two directrix, distance between two directrix, distance between two directrixes, that will be 2a by e, because here on the right hand side a by e comma 0, on the left hand side minus a by e comma 0. So distance between two directrices, it will be 2a by e, 2a by e. That's the thing you have to know. Sir, can you please repeat equation portion? Equation of which one? Equation of latus rectum or equation of directrix? Tell me, Krishnendu, equation of latus rectum or directrix, which one? Or any one? Just discussing first one, okay. Equation of latus rectum. Here latus rectum is the perpendicular chord passing through the focus. Now I am telling you earlier that the coordinate of focus is on the right hand side a comma 0, on the left hand side minus a comma 0, okay. Now we know that a line parallel to y axis, that will be x equals to constant, okay. I am erasing this portion. X equals to constant, x equals to c. Whenever it passes through a comma 0, it will be a equals to c. So that means c equals to a. So you may write here x equals to a, okay, for this latus rectum which is passing through S. There are two foci, you know that for the ellipse there are two foci, one is S, another is S dash. Now it is clear? Now it is clear, Krishnendu and Vishal? Okay. So these are the things you have to know. I am telling you right now another form, the second form of ellipse. The second form of ellipse. That is the equation x square by b square plus y square by s square equals to 1 with s square greater than b square. Here the denominator of y square is greater than denominator of x square. So major axis and minor axis will be changed here, okay. Ellipse will be of this type of ellipse will be formed. Here major and minor axis will be changed. here the major axis is, tell me, major axis will be which one? Tell me. Here major and minor axis will be changed comparing to the previous figure, first form. Major axis, y axis, very good. So the equation, that is x equals to 0. Okay. Now the minor axis, that is x axis, that means y equals to 0. Okay. Yes. Now length of major axis, length of major axis, length of major axis, tell me, length of major axis, length of major axis, tell me. It will be 2a, because here denominator of y square is a square. So here a dash, the major axis, again 2a, and the length of minor axis, here only the major axis and minor axis changed. Okay. Length of minor axis, that is 2b, this length b dash, 2b unit. Okay. Center is same, 0 0. Now telling me the vertices, this is 0 comma a, 0 comma minus a. So vertices 0 comma plus minus a, coordinate of a is 0 comma a and coordinate of a dash is 0 comma minus a. So simultaneously it will be 0 comma plus minus a. Okay. Now the next thing, eccentricity, that is remain unchanged, e remain unchanged, root over 1 minus b square by a square. Now foci, s a comma 0, sorry, it will be 0 comma ae and s dash 0 comma minus ae. So simultaneously 0 comma plus minus ae. Okay. Distance between two foci, I am not writing on the board, that is remain unchanged, 2 ae, and the length of lattice rectum, that is again 2b square by a. Now the next thing, equation of lattice rectum, equation of lattice rectum, equation of lattice rectum. Equation of lattice rectum, that will be a line parallel to x axis, so y equals to constant, so y equals to plus minus ae. Whenever it passes through s, then y equals to ae, whenever it passes through a dash, then y equals to minus ae. Okay. Is it clear up to this one? Is it clear? Okay, one or two things remain, that is the equation of directrix, equation of directrix or directrices, that is again y equals to plus minus a by e, because this point, the point of intersection of axis and the directrix 0 comma a by e, and here 0 comma minus a by e. So y equals to plus minus a by e, because it is a line parallel to x axis. And the last thing, distance between two directrices, it is remain unchanged, again 2a by e. So that's it, the discussion from ellipse. Now just go on to exercise number 11.3. we will solve one or two problems here. Go through the problem, go through it. In each of the exercises 1 to 9, find the coordinate of the foci, the vertices, the length of the major axis, the minor axis, the eccentricity, and the length of the latus rectum. Okay. So do the first one. Equation is given here: x square by 36 plus y square by 16 equals to 1. That means x square by 6 square plus y square by 4 square equals to 1. Here the denominator of the x square, that is 36, is greater than the denominator of the y square, that is 16. Here, so here major axis, that is the x axis, and the minor axis, that is the y axis, isn't it? Do you agree with me? Tell me, do you agree with me? Okay, so a equals to 6 and b equals to 4. Okay. Now next thing, coordinate of foci. So first of all, find E, eccentricity, root over 1 minus b square by a square. So root over 1 minus 36 by 16, sorry, that is 16 by 36. That means root over 20 by 36, that is 20 means 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 root 5 by 6, that is the value of E. You just find it in your copy, 2 root 5 by 6. Now the focus. Or in plural it is foci, AE comma 0 and minus AE comma 0. Or you may write plus minus AE comma 0. So A means 6. So 6 into 2 root 5 by 6 cancel out. So 2 root 5 comma 0 minus 2 root 5 comma 0. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? The focus. Okay. Next thing, the vertices. Vertices, just write simultaneously plus minus a comma 0. So plus minus 6 comma 0. The vertices plus minus 6 comma 0. Now length of major axis. Yes, very good. Length of major axis, that is 2a. Length of major axis 2a. So 2 into 6, 12 unit. And length of minor axis 2 into 4, 8 unit, isn't it? Just do it in your copy and tell me the answer. Eccentricity, next thing, eccentricity, that is already found here, 2 root 5 by 6, and the last thing, length of the latus rectum, length of the latus rectum, length of latus rectum, that is 2b square by a. So 2 into 4 square by 6. That means 16 by 3. Yes, latus rectum 16 by 3. Very good. So we have done question number 1, and that's all for today. Before leaving the class, you just type your name for taking the attendance. We will be back again here at the new class, and we will solve from question number 2. Any queries regarding today's class? So till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Which portion?